Hey guys, so welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to update to Instagram Messenger. So, guys, in order for you to update your Instagram, you would just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store into your device. So, guys, it will be the same process. If you are using an iOS, it will be just App Store. Now, here on the Play Store in my Google, I could just simply tap on the search icon at the bottom, and you could use the search bar at the top. And now over here, you could just simply search for Instagram. And now from here, tap on the Instagram. And when there is any update, instead of open over here, you should be able to see update. And also, you can select the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. So you will always have the updated version of the Instagram. Now, if you want to also update your Messenger application, you could just simply go ahead and search for the Messenger application over here. And now it will be just the same process. If there is any update, you should be able to see here update instead of open, and make sure to enable the auto update as well. So you won't have any problems using the app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.